Installing a butt connector to splice two stranded conductors. Wires should be stripped in an amount that minimizes exposed wire outside the device terminal. Slide the appropriately sized butt connector over the end of one of the wires. When crimping the butt splice, be sure to use the insulated crimper on the crimping tool if using an insulated butt splice as seen here. Crimp only on the area inside the box, towards the end that the wire is inserted. If crimped outside the box on the flared areas of the butt connector, the metal tube inside will not be crimped, only the insulation. Squeeze the crimpers with moderate pressure to compress the butt splice tube around the wire. Repeat the process with the other wire to complete the splice. Give the wires a light tug when finished to verify the connection is secure. Thanks for watching. Visit industrialmaintenancetraining.com for more resources and connect with our customer service team anytime at sales@mstservices.net. We look forward to helping you succeed.